Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is. Welcome! Here's a quick little video clip on how to make a PDF from a web page. So, for example, for our crossword puzzle assignments, you have to solve the crossword puzzle online. So, across to a living thing that's, I believe, an organism. Yay, got it right. Anyway, once you finish all of these, you need to print this out and show it to me. So the way you do that is you just click your right mouse button and the print option comes up. So you click print, and then for destination, now yours print screen might look a little bit different than mine, but there's always this area called destination. You might have to look for it. And then you have a lot of options. Find the one that says save as PDF. That's the one we like. Click Save. Desktop. I always put on the desktop so that it's easy to find. Pay attention to the name, Colts PDF. In fact, maybe you want to change the name so that you remember what it is. So this is the Colts puzzle, right? Just so you remember what it's called, right? And then when you go to turn it in, you should be able to find it. Again, I don't really, right? So you would look for that file. I know your submission screen looks different than mine, but you find the file the same way, right? There's this icon. Find the file, and then look on your desktop, right, where we put it, and there it is, right? And then it'll upload it, import it, and now you can submit your work. Okay. So, hopefully I did a good job explaining that. If you do have any questions or you need any help, send me a message through Schoology and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Alright then, take care now. Bye-bye.